Hello everyone. Today we are going to make a bear in a honey pot. So let's start with the sketch. First I'll mark the area over here for the face of the bear, and then I'll make a curved line on the left and right side. Now over here draw a slant line like this, make it double. Now over here make the edge of the pot like this. Add another line next to this side and make the complete bottom area of the pot with the inner line. Now make another line next to this line over here and add the honey dripping from the pot here like this. Now make the face of the bear. Make a slant line over here like this, then another line over here. I'm just making the shape using the straight lines, and later on I'll make these lines curvy. Now make the ears over here in a similar manner. Make sure that the size of both the ears are the same. Now over here add the eyes of the bear like this. Then its triangular nose and a small line over here. Now add its hand over here like this and this side as well. Make sure that both of them are of same size as well. Now over here add the curved edges for the brim of the pot. Next make the bees. I'll make an oval over here like this and add two lines for the stripes of the bees. Then add its wings over here, and that's it. Same thing, we'll do it for this bee as well. Over here add its wings here and add the stripe over here like this. Same here, and the line at the bottom here. Eyes and the wings. Add some sparkle over here and here. Now add some flowers in this area. I'm making 3 flowers over here. Make circles and then around them you add petals like this. Make sure that the petals are big enough. Add 5 to 6 petals only for the flowers. Add some leaves to complement this as well. Next we'll work on the stick. Add lines like this over here. We are blocking in the shape, and now we'll start adding the detailed stripes here. So first I'll add the bottom line over here like this, make the edges round. Same thing for this one as well, and for this part here, like this. And that's it. We are done with our sketch. Now we'll outline everything using a black gel pen. Once you are done outlining the picture, using an eraser, erase all the pencil marks that are present over here. And after this, we'll start with the coloring part. For coloring, we will be using pencil colors today. We'll start by coloring the bees. Color the body of the bees, leaving out the black stripe area. That we will be doing with the black marker towards the end of this video. Now color the inside of the bear using brown color over here. I'll use it very darkly, apply pressure on the pencil and color this portion darkly, and then very lightly you will cover this portion of the bear. This way, this is very light. Now on top of it, I'll be using the yellowish brown color that I have in the set to give it a more natural look. We'll be doing the same on the other ear as well. Using the same technique, we will color the face of the bear. I'll be using our normal brown color to add this base color, and then using the yellowish brown color, I will be adding it on top of it to give it a more natural look. Make some areas of the bear dark, for example the sides and the center part at the bottom. I will be adding a dark line for the shadow over here. Now using the same yellow color, very lightly color the pot here. After this, I will be using this yellow color for the honey. This is the same yellow color that we used for the bees. Now using brown color, add shade on this side as well, and here on the pot, like this and like this. Make sure that these shades are added in strokes. Some strokes in this area as well. Now using light blue color, add color on the wings here. And using yellow color, add color on these lines over here. Next over here, add the same brown color on the stick. I'll use the same color over here as well, and I'll use dark line to highlight the depth and the curves of the stick, the depth on the stick. Now using your favorite colors, you can color the flowers. I'll be using yellow, orange and red for it, and I will add brown color and color the leaves using light green color as well. Now using white pen, I will add highlights on the eyes, and on the pot over here, just a line and a dot, and another highlight on this area over here. This will be a little bit thicker. Work yourself over and over and again over the same area as soon as the ink dries, so that this highlight stands out and is clearly visible. Now add a line for highlight on the nose as well, and that's it. We are done with our picture.